Hi guys, so coming on to the next video. So this video is on important themes that I have derived from 2020 prelims question paper, and it is from art and culture topic. So let's see what the topics are. So the first thing which I found was that there are various sects of Jainism, Buddhism, and these sects have different followers, and the followers have different terms. So these terms we have to know, and these terms were also mentioned in Upanishads. So we need to keep track of the terms, and we have to know which followers of which sect are known as what. So that is one important point. Second question also I found on sects were different sects were given, and then questions were asked related to how it was formed, when it was formed, how was the split, and we should know about the importance of the sects, the beliefs, their terms which are used for the followers, and what they teach, and if there is an offshoot or not. And we should also know about the comparison among the sects. So this is one thing again which I found from a question on sects. And third question on the sects was like Mahayana Buddhism taught about the paramitas. So we must also know about the teachings of the Buddhist sects and teachings of Buddha as well, so that we can compare between the teachings of the sect and teachings of Buddha. So there were 3 questions on sects in 2020 paper related to sects. So if we cover the sects part thoroughly, in-depth knowledge is required about the terms, their teachings, their importance, how they were formed, everything, and their offshoots, and we also need to compare among the sects. So I guess that will be enough to cover these 3 questions. So sects are very important. Also, when we in the paramitas question, there were other options as well, so we should also know about them, that dharma shastra texts and the style of writing. We should know about various philosophical schools and their beliefs, their teachings, and how we can compare them with the Vedas. So whether they defy the authority or accept the authority of the Vedas. So that is one thing which we need to know. And then we need to know the terms of the merchant guilds in North India and South India. So these are some important themes which we need to cover when we are reading art and culture. Then these 3 questions were on sex. One question was on again famous place and what it is famous for. This pattern has been repeating itself, and we need to see the locations, like what we have to see the locations that we come across in history, like what they are famous for, when they were built, where they were built, who built it, which ruler, and what is the significance of it, like why is it in the news, if it's in the news, and why is it so important. If it is a port, it connects us with trade, or is it a capital of an empire, or is it a site where is it a site where inscriptions are found, or is there a temple there, or is it a pilgrim center. So we need to cover about pilgrim centers of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism as well. So these pilgrim centers are at which locations and in which states, this we need to know. So if we study the map together when we study history, I guess this question will be well covered. So this is what I came to know from this question. So these were the 4 questions on art and culture in 2020 paper, and my video will only be helpful if you like first go through the questions and then listen to my video. So then you'll understand what I'm talking about and what themes you can cover when you're studying art and culture. So that's it for 2020's video. Next video will be on 2019 questions analysis. So meet you there. Thank you.